Hey everybody, Nikki O'Knows here, and I'm here to talk about 20 words and phrases that tend to attract a significant amount of viewer attention on YouTube. These words and phrases are in no particular order, but they are ones that I have used multiple times. Starting with number 1, how to. Number 2, review. Number 3, vlog. Number 4, challenge. Number 5, unboxing. Number 6, best. Number 7, tips. Number 8, DIY for do it yourself. Number 9, funny. Number 10, trending. Number 11 is YouTube. Number 12 is shorts. Number 13 is top 10. Number 14 is gameplay, and that's pretty much popular in the gaming world, you guys. Number 15 is reaction videos, so people, videos reacting to your content. Number 16 is life hacks. Number 17 is story time, so you sharing personal stories. Number 18, behind the scenes, exclusive sneak peeks of different situations and content creation. Number 19, motivational, inspirational content. And then number 20 is ASMR. It's an amazing thing. If you guys don't know about ASMR, Google it. Just Google it. So these keywords, you guys, are just an effective and impactful way to really draw your viewers in, to increase your engagement across your channel and make sure that you're also working on building your loyal fan base. Hope these help. So make sure you guys implement those 20 hashtags within your content creations. Have a great day.